If your vacation leaves you more tired than when you left, it's probably because you're still doing all the planning, even on the trip. Give me the next few minutes and I'll show you why vacations stop feeling like vacations for so many grown women and the one shift that makes travel actually feel restful again. I'm also going to walk you through a simple way to tell if a trip is truly handled or if it's just dressed up chaos, so you can stop signing up for stress with a nicer view. I'm Christy with Branch Out Travel, and my husband James and I host group trips for people who love the idea of travel but are done being the one responsible for everything. Every video we share is meant to give you clarity you can use immediately, whether you ever travel with us or not. Here's the real issue that no one talks about. Most women don't actually get a break on vacation. They just change locations and they keep carrying that mental load. You're still tracking times, answering questions, making sure everyone's okay. You're watching the schedule and you're thinking 3 steps ahead. So even when you sit down, your mind, it never really rests. Most people try to fix this by booking nicer hotels, choosing all-inclusive resorts, traveling less often, or even saying, next time I'll relax a little more. Some even swear off group trips completely because they think they're just too stressful. And why is that not working? Because the stress isn't coming from the destination. It's coming from that emotional responsibility. And if you're still the one who needs the answers, who figures it out if something changes, who feels responsible if the trip doesn't even go well, then it doesn't matter how beautiful the place is. It's your nervous system that never fully turns off. Let me give you a simple framework to tell the difference between a trip and a truly handled experience. Step number 1, ask who's carrying that responsibility. Not who booked it, but who's responsible during the trip. If that answer is still you, it's not a break. Step number 2, look for clarity, not excitement. Handle trips don't rely on the hype. They give clear itineraries, expectations, and communication before you ever leave home. And step number 3, notice how decisions are made. If you're still deciding where to go, when to go, what to do, and how to fix it if plans change, that's emotional labor. When it's truly hosted, those decisions are already made with intention. Because rest doesn't come from luxury, it comes from relief. When someone else is confidently holding the details, your body finally believes that I don't have to be on all the time. And that's when travel actually restores instead of draining you. If this is resonating, I'd encourage you to start paying attention to how trips are structured and not just where they go. That awareness alone will save you from a lot of disappointments. Because once you know what handle really looks like, you stop settling for trips that require you to manage, coordinate, or stay on alert all the time. You start choosing experiences that give you what you actually want: peace, ease, and the ability to just show up and enjoy yourself for once.